know, when I heard this was going to be a Barrett-Jackson, I was so excited. Frame-off restoration. It's in near perfect shape. Feels nice. It feels like it's going to be forgiving in the turn, so when you give it gas, you push out of that turn, it's going to grip the road, catch on, you can take off. It almost feels like you could chirp wheels in second or third gear. I mean, when you get this thing out in the highway, no stopping it. For so much power underneath the hood, it really is a nice, smooth ride.
Look at this car, the Phoenix, 1973, the epitome of the muscle cars. Does it get any better for you?
No, it doesn't.
You know, for me, driving this car was an experience. One of the things I really enjoyed when I drove it was, you know, sitting in the seat and looking over and seeing the green emblem, the sign of Trans Am.
The Hammer came down at $115,000 back in 2015. Prices on the Trans Am Super Duty have fluctuated over the past several years and are currently at a 6-year high of $170,500.